Friday morning, first one of the day. This is a returning client with his lovely Ducati Hypermotard. This is in for one of our full works packages. This will include Ultimaxx ceramic protection. So we're going to get this thing all degreased, decontaminated, polished up, and then we'll get it in the studio. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we're going to treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. I am going to put ceramic on every nook and cranny of this bike: wheels, swing arm, all the bodywork, switch gear, etc. We will airbrush it on, so this bike will be properly protected for the years ahead. What a gorgeous bit of kit. Do with some chain lube on it. We'll get all that degreased. So yeah, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's crack on and make this thing look pretty again. All right, so we got this Ducati now in the studio here, just polishing up the exhaust, making sure to polish up underneath. Next step is to prep these wheels. We're going to ceramic these wheels front and back with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. This is a 5-year ceramic. Make sure those lovely forged wheels are properly protected for the years ahead. We will actually put the XCP on this motor, as it's secondhand, it's had a few miles. I don't think the ceramic will adhere properly, so we will mist the XCP onto all the motor, but I will ceramic the wheels, the swing arm, obviously all the bodywork once that's polished. First step is to prep these wheels. We use this Tech panel spray, which is like an alcohol mixture, just making sure to remove any contaminants, oils, etc. Just gives that ceramic really good adhesion. Just wipe that down, let that dry a sec, and then we will lay down the special sauce, as they say. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This sweet Ducati Hypermotard has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works valets, which includes the Ultimaxx ceramic on all the bodywork, wheels. I actually put the XCP on all the motor, as this has had a few miles on it. I didn't think the ceramic would adhere, so that's all been misted with XCP corrosion, but all the wheels, carbon, everything else has been fully ceramic with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. Absolutely gleaming. What a gorgeous example. That exhaust has come up as new. Look at that. All up underneath has been polished. All your downpipe, all the carbon bits have been removed, all polished underneath. All done in 3 hours on the dot. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.